Hello dear students, so another important questions for you people on electricity class 10th. So question is, what happens to the value of resistance if the area of the cross section of the resistance wire is half, length of the wire remaining the same? Repeat. What happens to the value of resistance if the area of cross section of the resistance wire is half, length of the wire remaining the same? So it is quite simple. So you people can see. Let us write the expression for the resistance, and we know it is rho L over A. Alright, and call it equation number 1. New value of the resistance, we can write R dash. So resistivity we will use here because nothing has been said about the material, so material remains the same. Length also remains the same, and area of cross section is different, we call it A dash. So what we are saying, that the area of the cross section of the wire is half. So they have given us A dash is equal to A upon 2. Now replace A dash is equal to A upon 2 in place of A dash. So R dash is equal to rho L. In place of A dash we can write A upon 2. Now this 2 will go in the numerator and we get 2 rho L over A. Call it the second equation. Using the first and second, or you can say first and second, we can write R dash is equal to 2 times of, look at this, rho L over A. This was equal to what? R. So in place of rho L over A, you can easily write R. So in case length remaining the same, area becomes half. Half, in that condition, the resistance will become double. So let us see the B part of this question. We are saying the piece of wire has a resistance of 20 ohms is pulled to make its length double. Calculate the resistance of the wire in the new situation. So let's have a look again. So for B part, let us use the expression R is equal to rho L over A as it is. And in addition to that, they have mentioned the value of this resistance is how much? Rho L over A. The value of this is equal to 20 ohms in the B part. So we write like this. Is that okay? So it is pulled to make its length double. Please remember, when a particular wire is pulled to make its length double, what has remained the same? The material remains the same and the volume remains the same. Length is going to change, also area is going to change in that situation. What is going to remain the same? Volume. So what we have learned in class 10, that is what in mensuration what we have learned, that is what we have to use over here. So now length has become double. Now let us write down the formula of new resistance. We can write the rho, material remains the same, and length L dash and area A dash. Now what parameter they have given? Length is double. So they have already told us L dash is equal to twice of L. This information is there with us. Now volume initial is equal to volume final. So volume initial is equal to volume final, and we can write area of cross section initial, length initial is equal to area final, length final. Now A, L, in place of A dash we write A dash, in place of L dash we can write twice of L. So from here we get what is A dash equal to. See carefully, we can cancel this L with this L, and A dash will be equal to A upon 2, and we write it like this. Is that okay? So these two parameters we have to use here in this equation, and we are working it out here now. So you people see, we can write R dash is equal to rho. Now tell me, what is L dash? L dash is equal to twice of L. And what is A dash equal to? It is A upon 2. Now simplify this. We try to get the expression in this form, rho L over A. So we have rho here, L here, A here. We write rho L over A. And now see, where does this 2 go? It goes in the numerator. So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Now R dash is given like this, calling the second equation. Now from 1 and 2, equation number 1 and 2, we can easily see that R dash is equal to 4 times of rho L over A. That is nothing but 20 ohms. So you can write 20 ohms over here. So what do you get? It is 80 ohms. Is that point clear? So with this, we are completing this B part of the numerical. I hope you found it very simple. Basic maths has to be clear, basic mensuration should be clear, and then these questions are very, very simple. So all the best, keep doing good. Thank you very much for watching this video.